Okay guys, so your first game that you can play in the math workshop today is one from Unit 1. And the reason that we're going back and doing some work with our Unit 1 games is to prepare our minds for the work that's coming in Unit 4, which is just around the corner. We're going to get some more practice with multiplication and division in this unit, so why not get our brains thinking in that way while I'm away. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through not the definitions, I'm sorry, the directions, or at least how to access the directions. So multiplication compare directions are on the kidney table, the group work table, right by my teacher computer. Please use that if you want to use the compare cards that are on the back counter, shelf, whatever you want to call it, above the nonfiction reading books. Each group of students is going to need one deck, and you'll obviously need the second page, which is the multiplication compare recording sheet. That's also on the the kidney table, and I'm going to see if I can pull up a quick resource for you to see. Let's see, yeah, here it is. Okay, this is the recording sheet and this is on the reading table. Now I am not going to read the directions for you because you've played before and you also know how to read because you got to 5th grade. So I just want to let you know that those 2 pages are going to be necessary if you're playing in like on your actual desks. If you want to play digitally through the Pearson website, there is multiplication compare on the Investigations Game Center. And it's played the exact same way, other than you only need one Chromebook between 2 students, and the resources that you'll need are all digital, so you won't need to worry. You want to make sure that you are giving player 1 the first card, and then your second draw will go to player 2, and then obviously player 1 gets the third, and player 2 gets the fourth, and then you have to decide, okay, well, is 800 times 600 bigger than 2 times 10? So you can probably quickly realize that 800 times 600 is far larger than 2 times 10. And again, don't forget to record all of your thinking on your record sheet. You'll need to turn that into the finished work basket. You'll have about half of the time to work on multiplication compare, and then you'll have half of the time to work on another game that I'll walk you through in another video. All right, have fun with multiplication compare, and if you happen to get confused with multiplication compare, please don't forget that you do know how to do Unit 3's, oh gosh, what is it? Just track 1, the game with track 1. So that's another option, but I won't walk you through that one since it's fresh in your mind. All right, have fun.